I'm Saitez and welcome back to my channel Saitez. In today's we'll try to do the initial setup and how many applications are present pre-install and how much is the RAM and the available storage out of the box from this iQOO Z3 device. As you can see friends, so this is my first time booting up this phone iQOO Z3 device, and I just want to show you what is the initial setup process and a couple of applications, how many applications got installed and what is the RAM management. I did create the iQOO Z3 playlist as well just now, so make sure to follow the playlist for more updates on the iQOO Z3. I'll be definitely doing intense comparison on this phone friends, but comparing with the iQOO 7 smartphone as well in terms of the performance and mainly about the 4G. I'll try to test as soon as possible, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested, and don't forget to check the playlist for more videos friends, which I'll be uploading very as soon as possible on this device. Let's get started. Let me try to click give all the permissions, next, and let me try to set up the device offline, or let me try to do it by connecting to the Wi-Fi. So I did connect to the Wi-Fi network as well just now, so let's see. So make sure to comment below friends what are the other videos you want me to compare on the iQOO Z3 with other phones. So what type of comparison you want, speed test or antidote test, battery backup test. I'll definitely do all those kind of testings very soon, so stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So let me try to skip the process and just to show you how many applications are pre-installed and how much is RAM available exactly. That is what I'm trying to see. So I did order the 8GB variant and 128GB model. This is the iQOO Z3 phone which has got 8GB and 128GB model. Let me try to quickly skip it. So I'll try to sign in with a Google account later on. So let me try to quickly disable some permissions and click accept. So this is what I do every time. I'll try to disable few of the permissions. Let me try to go back and recommend the services, global search. Let me try to disable few of the things. Let's see. So I don't want this Jovi Home and Google search. I'll try to just give the permissions for the top 3. Let me try to skip it, and here the couple of you'll get this kind of notification as well. That's really good. So what are applications you want, you can install that, otherwise you can just skip. I'll try to skip it. I did not select any applications, as you can see friends. I'm trying to skip, otherwise you will get this kind of all the applications installed, pre-installed. That's really good that they did ask this kind of thing, whether you want to install or not. That's a really good advantage. So right now the phone completely got boot up, the iQOO Z3 device. So definitely friends, for the next few days I'll try to upload as many videos on this iQOO Z3 as possible. In case if you're planning to buy the smartphone, so make sure to use my links in the description to buy the smartphone. Let me try to quickly go to the settings application. You can find the settings. So here is the settings application. Let me try to show you exactly what is the model I did order. As you can see friends, iQOO Z3. Let me try to slightly increase the brightness so you might be not able to see that. So iQOO Z3, this is a 8GB RAM variant and Snapdragon 768G processor. As you can clearly see here friends, Snapdragon 768 processor. Now let's see what is the RAM available out of the box. That is what I'll try to concentrate on. It's about 3GB of RAM is right now used out of, I think, total combined of 11GB, as you can clearly see friends, after using the extended RAM capabilities, and the storage is of 19GB used out of 128GB. As you can clearly see, out of 128GB, 19GB of storage is used already. So let's see what are the applications did use. The system took about 18GB and the files 0, and the other apps took about 1.2GB. So 1.2GB is these are the applications which has been consumed right now, as you can see friends. So Snapchat, Moja and MX TacTag, as you can see, ShareChat, these are the applications which are already installed, which is a kind of bloatware itself. So let me try to quickly show you the applications, how many are there. As you can see friends, these are the number of applications which are completely installed in this phone right now. Let me try to start from this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, so 10. So 53 applications completely installed. Same kind of applications installed in the iQOO 7 as well. Same number of applications. That is what I did notice. So when I try to unbox the iQOO 7 device as well. But overall, these are the few applications, and you can actually uninstall them. So one by one, you can actually uninstall them without any kind of issues. That should not be any kind of problem, friends. And same like the iQOO 7, you can actually, if you want, you can use the external RAM. You can, otherwise you can disable the external RAM as well. That is another thing. So as you can see, overall this is how much GB, and let me try to quickly disable the external RAM and show you how much of RAM will be available exactly. That is what another thing which I thought of showing you out of 8GB. That will be like kind of practical thing to do. Let me try to quickly restart the mobile phone. So every time you change this kind of thing, the mobile will completely get restarted. So I'll try to quickly compare with the 4G plus aggregation support test as well. That will be my next few videos which I'll be uploading on this smartphone. I did like this kind of color friends, which is really good. so which is really great. So in case if you're planning to order this iQOO Z3 device, so make sure to comment below. So don't forget to check the links in description to order the smartphone using my links. That will be really helpful. So I did post the unboxing video as well, so make sure to comment under the unboxing video in case if you want me to upload any kind of different videos on this smartphone. So right now let's see what is the RAM available out of the box. So without using any kind of external RAM, that is what I want to show you. I'm going to go to the RAM and storage, and is the RAM. And as you can see friends, out of 8 GB, 2.68 GB is used. As you can see, 2.68 GB out of 8 GB. So out of 8 GB, the 5.32 GB of RAM is currently available out of the box. So this much of RAM is available out of the box. That is what I thought of, just giving you a quick idea at how much RAM you can actually expect out of the box. And storage as well, this is a quick storage, let me just show you. And the final thing, as you can see, 16 GB used. This is a final storage. Because the external RAM, I did disable that external RAM, the 3 GB now got added into the internal storage. That is what the system storage, before it used to be 8 GB RAM, sorry 8 GB internal storage it did use before, but right now it's using only 15 GB, as you can clearly see friends, after disabling the external RAM capabilities. So this is how the storage will be changed from the internal storage to the RAM storage. This is how you can actually see practically whether it's happening or not. That's a really good thing. And a lot of users, they did already comment under the video of the unboxing video asking me to compare the Antutu test and the 4G test, display test, RAM management test. I'll try to do all these kind of videos friends very soon, as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. Definitely I'll give you my complete thoughts about this phone, at least after using 1 or 2 days. I just need at least minimum 24 hours to use this phone to test the battery charging, display, 4G and all those details. I'll try to test as soon as possible. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you wanted. And thank you for watching this video friends. And this is a overall complete guide, and how many applications got installed, pre-installed, and how much of RAM is available, and how much of storage is also there. And there are some applications which are, if you want, you can install these games, but I don't recommend to install as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.